Hey there, my name's Luke and I'm Digital Concierge at Gramophone. Today we're coming back at you with another unboxing. The new Quantum 600 by JBL. If you know JBL, you know they're one of the finest audio companies in the world, and they are soon going to be known as one of the better gaming companies with a product like this. Also stay tuned because we do have more videos coming on the other products in this line as well. But let's dive in and get into these Quantum 600s and find out what the hype is all about. So there is the front where it mentions some of the new features on the 600s, such as the transmission frequency, the fact that it incorporates a software known as Quantum Surround, which I'll get into a little bit more about later. These are made to work with Discord and seem to be rated by DTS, so that's pretty impressive. Take a look at the side, just the side profile view, a little bit more on the surround information, and the fact that these have RGB lighting. So as we know, RGB lighting makes your computer go faster. Just kidding. On the back, we got some more of our feature set, more about the Quantum Surround, more about the audio transmission signal, which is a 2.4 gigahertz band, and a little bit about the mic, which JBL is calling the voice focusing beam mic. Dare to listen with JBL. And then when we go to open it up, big flap that opens up where you get your first look at what your desktop software looks like. This is JBL's Quantum Engine software that you use for EQ and tuning of the surround effects. A little bit more on how it's simulating surround right there by giving you a visual of what it wants the speakers, or the virtual speakers to sound like. Let's get into this. Of course, you get the Quantum 600 headset itself, the wireless receiver and transmitter for wireless use, your USB-A to USB-C cable, mainly for charging, and then your wired option for audio, which is a 3.5mm cable, which does have a little remote on it for volume and microphone mute control. And then on the headset, one thing that it calls out and you want to make sure you have is your little windscreen for your microphone. And lastly, the good old QSG warranty card and your other literature and documentation. Getting into the specs and features of the Quantum 600s, these have a frequency response rating from 20 Hz all the way to 40,000 Hz. This is a full range headphone. The microphone is rated from 100 Hz to 10,000 Hz. The battery is a 1300 mAh battery, good for 14 hours of use, and only takes about 2 hours to charge. Pretty good performance out of the battery. These have a sound pressure level maximum of 97, so they can get quite loud for a headphone. And the microphone is rated at 40 decibels. All around very impressive specs for a gaming headphone. As for the design aspects of the JBL Quantum 600s, they feature this lovely, sleek black design with the cutouts in the top of the band. And if you look at the ear cups, you can see where it has this really nice, almost pearlescent flake finish. From that to the RGB accents, I gotta applaud JBL for really how aesthetically pleasing they made these headphones. It features in the microphone an auto on and off, the ability to also turn it on and off just by simply pushing it up or down. And the Voice Focus Pro microphone is delivering really clear vocal quality. And if we look at the back again, to talk more about the headphone cups, these are a very soft protein leather that feels really comfortable on the head and soft to the touch. The band also features it as well. We have the game chat balance dial right here, which is, do you want to hear your game or do you want to hear more of your chat, or balance out both. Your physical volume wheel right here, very simple volume control, your mute button, power switch, and then also, if you are using in wired mode, you control your volume with the wheel and the switch for the mic built into the wire itself. As for the compatibility features of the JBL Quantum 600, the first and biggest one by far is the new Quantum Engine software. This software allows you to do things like, not only the most important things, like customize your RGB colors, of course, but do things like control the surround sound settings, other audio settings, EQs, microphone profiles, and volume levels. Everything you could possibly need to have the best gaming experience. And just knowing what JBL does with audio, this software is very well tuned, much better than some of the other suites that are out there. This is also compatible, as I mentioned earlier, with virtually everything that exists. Nintendo Switch, mobile phones, VR headsets, PCs, Xbox, PlayStation 4. You can use this headset for anything, which is absolutely fantastic. Thank you, JBL, for not pandering to one side or the other, but offering a product that has something to deliver for everyone. And the fact that these are wireless with an adapter that's so easy, with an excellent range and great stability. Guys, you can get up, walk away from your console, from your PC, whatever, go to the kitchen, get a glass of chocolate milk, come back, all with your headset on while still talking to your friends. By the way, about talking to your friends, these things are Discord certified, meaning Discord has put their own stamp of approval on this for being a great communication device for gaming. The Quantum 600s by JBL are an all-around solid headphone for anyone looking for the next level in both headphone and gaming audio performance. With their amazing sound quality and standout and comfortable design, they're guaranteed to give you one of the best experiences you've had yet playing your games. And that is exactly what we want, because here at Gramophone, we strive to give our customers the best quality products and at the most reasonable prices. We've been serving the greater Maryland and Washington, D.C. metro areas for over 44 years. So whether you're an audiophile, a tech enthusiast, a potential buyer, a gamer, or you just love watching our videos, be sure to subscribe to our channel so you can keep up with all of our newest product highlights, interviews, and much, much more. If you have any questions or want to learn anything more about the Quantum 600s, be sure to give us a call or stop by one of our showroom locations in Timonium, Columbia, Hunt Valley, or Gaithersburg, Maryland. Also, go to our website at gramophone.com, and if you want to get your own pair of Quantum 600s, click the link down below to go to our web store, Sky by Gramophone. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, give us a like and drop a comment down below, and be sure to subscribe for all your home audio and home theater needs. But also, we want to hear from you. What do you guys think of JBL headphones? Do you need a new gaming headset? And what do you want to see from us next? As always, thank you so much for watching. Can't wait to see you in the next one.